everyone, Babo Cabalen. Welcome to RM Pampanga. For today's video, I'm gonna show you amazing place dito po sa may Santo Tomas, Pampanga, and this is Patio de Gloria. Ang ganda nito guys. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Nandito tayo ngayon sa lugar kung saan situated yung dalawang rooms natin. So this is at the second level nung pinaka living room area natin dito sa baba. And from here, I think this is also fit for outdoor living room din, no? A balcony, parang ganyan. Dito rin, you got a view of the other side as well as yung pinaka swimming pool area natin. So pasukan natin yung dalawang rooms. So this room has 2 beds. Each bed is actually capable of accommodating 2 persons, 2 adults. All in all, meron siyang 4 persons na pwedeng i-accommodate dito. Now, again, dito sa room na to, meron tayong view, napakagandang view nung swimming pool area natin and the other side nung villa. Okay, so let's go to the other room. For me guys, this room can accommodate more people. So in here, meron tayong dalawang queen size bed dito sa flooring, and then meron din tayong, I don't know what they call this, no? Ito, para siya, hindi naman siya double decker pero leave at the comment section kung anong tawag dito. But again, it can accommodate 2 more people. So all in all, this room can accommodate up until 6. Ang ganda ng design ng room na to. I think very spacious siya for 6 people. So dito sa ground level, particularly guys, dito sa my pool area, my observation, this pool area has a section for kids, jet pool, meron din dito. And then the other side naman dito is for adults. For the size, I think it's more of a small to medium. Yung design ng pool natin, meron siyang artificial falls which adds up dun sa serenity at saka yung parang really close to the nature. Speaking of really close to the nature, I also like na dito guys, hindi nila pinutol yung mga puno and it added an accent of nature feel, no? So dito meron tayong dalawang malaking puno ng mangga at saka duhat. Where we are right now is approaching the other side of the villa, and it has 1 bed. This is the master's bedroom, para siyang ganun. Isolated talaga siya for a couple, good for 2. Siguro with a kid, pwede rin siya dito. And then again, kagandahan dito is yung mga designers natin, they really thought of having that view of the entire place kapag nasa second floor ka. So in here, yun nga, meron tayong view ng pool area, ng living room, and then the other rooms dun sa kabila ng villa natin. So the time is around 6 p.m. and this is how it looks like during a little bit darker. Eto guys, sarap ng upo namin dito sa sa may pool area. So kasama namin yung mga kids habang naglalaro sila. Nagsuswim. Say hi, mommy. Yun guys. So quick view on how it looks like during the evening. Napaka-romantic. Alright, so another appreciation and thank you sa Samgyup on the Go Santo Tomas branch for sponsoring our dinner for today. So as a generous guest, thank you so much Patio de Gloria and Samgyup on the Go. There you go. So that's it guys, final look. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami at sarap ng tulog namin kagabi. I think we stayed up until 2 a.m. nagkukwentuhan. Nagustuhan ko dito guys, first of all is yung rate natin, napakababa. You have a lot of options. Choose from, if you want to book this one, the other side, or the entire villa, pwede po yan. Meron po kayong option. And then, I also enjoyed, again, napakaganda ng pagkakadesign. I'm really impressed. It's well designed. Pinag-isipan talaga yung mga details natin dito. Ayun guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. If you're interested to know more about this, we're gonna be including all the details and the links dun sa caption natin here or So anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much, Pacho de Gloria and Samgyup on the go. Peace out. Bye guys.